A lift-top coffee table brings versatility and smart storage to any living space. Designed with a hidden compartment beneath the tabletop, it provides easy access to essentials while keeping clutter out of sight. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best lift-top coffee tables you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which furniture topic you'd like to see in our next videos. Yaheetech's 47.5-inch lift-top coffee table combines functionality with modern design. The lift-top mechanism extends the tabletop forward, creating a comfortable workspace or dining area while seated on the sofa. Built with CARB P2-compliant MDF, the sturdy frame features a water and wear-resistant laminated surface, ensuring durability for everyday use. A hidden storage compartment beneath the tabletop provides a discreet space for essentials like laptops, remotes, or game controllers, keeping them accessible yet out of sight. The lower open shelf offers additional room for books, decor, or other frequently used items. Designed for versatility, this coffee table eliminates the need to lean forward while working or dining, making it an excellent addition to any modern living space. BDI Furniture Cloud9. Lift-top coffee table delivers modern functionality with a sleek 52.1-inch porcelain top, designed for both durability and style. Available in 3 finishes, its smooth surface resists wear and pairs seamlessly with contemporary decor. A contoured finger grip allows for effortless opening, revealing a lined storage compartment accessible from the sofa side when closed, ideal for stowing remotes, magazines, or essentials. Engineered with a pneumatic lift system, the table extends effortlessly, offering a versatile workspace or dining surface with smooth and controlled motion. The hydraulic supports ensure stability at various heights, making it perfect for working, eating, or entertaining. Beneath its striking design, a sturdy metal frame provides lasting support, while leveling feet ensure a firm, wobble-free foundation on any flooring. The non-slip lining keeps stored items secure, preventing shifting. Designed for seamless integration, this lift-top coffee table complements BDI's media and storage collections, enhancing both function and aesthetics in a living or family room. Homary Modern Lift. Top coffee table combines functionality and elegance with a sturdy engineered wood frame supported by solid metal feet for lasting stability. Designed for versatility, its smooth lift-top mechanism allows seamless transitions from a coffee table to a dining, office, or computer desk. The built-in hinge resists daily wear, while rounded corners enhance safety. Hidden storage compartments beneath the tabletop offer ample space for essentials like remotes, laptops, and board games, keeping them organized and protected from dust. A power-assisted hydraulic lifting system ensures smooth, stable height adjustments, making it effortless to raise the tabletop without strain. Equipped with lockable 360-degree rotating wheels, this coffee table glides easily across floors for flexible placement. The locking mechanism keeps it securely in place when needed. Ideal for modern homes, it blends style with practicality. A downloadable PDF instruction manual is available for easy assembly and setup. The Yaheetech lift-top coffee table blends function with modern farmhouse charm. Weighing 58.3 pounds, its metal frame and engineered wood top offer durability with a rustic appeal. The rectangular shape provides ample surface area, while the lift-top design transforms it into a versatile workspace or casual dining table, perfect for cozy living rooms. Underneath, 3 hidden storage compartments keep essentials like laptops, books, and game controllers within reach yet out of sight. Built with CARB Phase 2 TSCA Title VI compliant MDF, it ensures long-term durability. The powder-coated metal legs and heavy-duty lifting mechanism provide strong, reliable support. Protective pads between the tabletop and legs prevent damage while ensuring smooth, silent operation. Assembly is hassle-free with an illustrated manual and all necessary hardware included. A functional centerpiece with modern versatility, the Wlive lift-top coffee table blends style with practicality. Crafted from engineered wood, this table features a lift-top design supported by a stable mechanism, allowing smooth and controlled movement for work, dining, or relaxation. The spacious surface adapts to various needs, whether in the living room, bedroom, or home office. Built for organization, this coffee table includes a large hidden compartment, 2 open shelves, and a convenient drawer to store essentials like laptops, books, and game controllers while keeping dust at bay. Measuring 18.9 inches deep, 38.58 inches wide, and 17.91 inches high, it offers ample storage without overwhelming the space. The lift top supports up to 11 pounds, while the hidden compartment holds up to 49 pounds, ensuring durability. Constructed with high-quality MDF and wide wooden legs, this table delivers stability and longevity. The waterproof, scratch-resistant surface enhances durability, making it ideal for daily use. Combining sleek aesthetics with multifunctional design, the Wlive Lift Top Coffee Table is an excellent addition to any home, offering both convenience and reliability. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.